Hey friends, Abracadabra is the perfect tool to use when you want to fully control your content with very little input. And you just have to type in a few words and then all of a sudden it'll pop out what you need. That's why we created Abracadabra. So you can fully control your inputs and outputs. Now the first input is what do you want to create? And this could be tricky if you don't know exactly what you want to put in. So at Yaara, what we did is we gave you a list of templates that you just choose from. And this is how you get there. So first you're gonna click the little conversation thing at the bottom right. Then it's gonna open a little chat box with Yaara, and you're just gonna go over here, Control C, and then Control V, and press search. At the very top, it's got how to use Abracadabra. Then just quickly scroll down to input commands to try. And below here, you're gonna see a ton of different categories of commands. And you're just gonna keep scrolling and scrolling, and there's gonna be so many different commands you can try. Like sending an email. Maybe you could do an education email about, and then so you'd put, let me just do that. An education email about, and then you put in the main points you want to cover. And we're just gonna press generate AI. And there we go. Now, the one important thing I want you guys to know about Yaara is that we do have this notes at the bottom here. And this is going to be great for when you're going in between templates, or maybe you just want to save something long term. So I just copied and pasted that AI output into here, and there we go. And so this is how you use Abracadabra. Very simple, very easy, and I hope you guys use it. The one last thing I want to point out is the tone. Make sure you guys are using this button because it's going to dramatically increase the quality of your outputs. And to help Yaara learn, please press these dislikes or I like this button, and it will help Yaara learn more about you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, friends.